Hi and welcome to the video brought to you by turbocamaro.com. This is Ian. I want to give you a valve seal update on my engine build. Don't normally get into the engine this much anymore. It's been driving so well, but I have a significant valve seal problem. I've noticed an incredible amount of oil burning as well as some blue smoke on heavy acceleration and on start sometimes. I've known it had to have been valve seal since the beginning of time. This build has been kind of plagued with valve seal problems. So as you can see here, I've got the valve cover off. I've got a couple things exposed here now. The original, if you haven't been following, I had O-ring problems about installation issue. Then I had O-ring problems with them just breaking. I think something to do with spring clearance. And then I went and did a valve job, complete head rebuild basically with new valves and everything. Went to positive seal, so I went to a two-piece, I guess it's rubber, maybe it's Viton, I'm not sure, with a Teflon insert. And those actually, I thought I had just finished, I thought I'd crushed the issue with replacing with those positive seals. And here we are, back with more problems. Now it's not me, it's not the engine. I think it's a quality control or possibly just a design flaw. It could, I suppose, be that the two-piece positive seal isn't the best for a turbocharged application. I probably should be using some kind of a racing seal. So here's the ones I had. Now you can see they have a lower retention spring. There's a black rubber top, and then there would have been, quote that, would have been a white Teflon insert. Where is it? God only knows. It is just literally gone. So I thought, well, that's interesting. I don't know if it broke off and went in the engine. That's fantastic. Maybe I missed it on an oil change. I don't know. So then you look at this one, and let's take a peek here. So you can see the top of this. There is, underneath all the oil, a white seal there. So there's one that probably is working okay. And there's the other, non-existent. You can actually see the gap. But, you know, I can move this valve stem here a little bit up and down, and you can see there's nothing there. All right, so this is what they look like out of the car. You can see here, this is the one from cylinder 1, and this is 2. You can see now I cleaned it up a little bit so you can see it better, but there's the idea. It's got a white Teflon insert, and all it is a little, like, I got a ridge on it. If I squeeze it enough, I can probably just pop it out. We just push it through actually. Yeah, oh, there it goes. Just kind of pushed on it a little bit, and there we go. So it's a white little Teflon insert. It's just a little ridge right here, and it's kind of sitting in there just like that. And then there's a groove in the actual seal there. You can probably see that, and it is what kicks it in there. Now, to me, that is a poor design. I mean, sure, it might work on like a stock motor or something like that, but high speed, high heat, lots of friction, lots of oil splashing around everywhere from the turbo, whatever. It's just literally, I think it's designed to fail. I don't like it. If I'm wrong and you guys have used these before, I'd love to hear about it, but this to me is, what was I thinking? It's a head shake kind of situation. Here's the other one, just gone, right? The seal is literally missing. Which is fantastic. So those are literally trash. They never should have been invented, as far as I know. Now looking at this here, this is a black pure Viton seal. This is the replacement. This is what is going to win. I would have loved a full metal shrouded valve seal, but unfortunately there wasn't any stocked locally for those. And I think honestly, this, as much as it isn't fully metally shrouded, I think that this will do just fine. I trust the retainer just like I did on these. I think that's fine. These ones look even more high quality, and then it has another retainer just to squeeze on the actual valve, and it's all Viton, which I think is good to 600 degrees. Like there's no way these will be affected by my engine's heat, so that's fantastic. So I'll do 12 of these. I actually ordered 16. Always a good idea. Order enough for a V8, and then you have some spares. These are 11/32 stem, 0.562 guide. That's what I have. You have to check yours, obviously. And this is a Qualcast USA made 38-937-15 stem seal. And you have to install it the same way you installed the other positive seals with one of these sleeves. It comes in this box. Originally it didn't, I had to ask for one, and it obviously was free, but without this, it's difficult to install. You just lube this up a little bit, slip it over the stem, slide the thing over, and you're good to go. Also a good idea, just a quick tip, replace the stem stud nuts, sorry, the guide stem stud nuts. Oh, I'm lost. Either way, replace these. They're the ovaled nut. You can't reuse these over and over and over and over again. They'll eventually round out and then they'll become loose. And if they become loose and you try to hammer them and stuff, that will work temporarily, but you could start causing problems with your threads and whatnot. So either way, just replace them. I think I paid $1.50 for 12 of these, so not the worst idea to replace those. Either way, I'm going to install all of these seals and hopefully rid myself of blue smoke and oil burning problems. I will give you an update on this as time goes on. Thank you very much for watching. You can reach me on Twitter and Facebook as Turbo Camaro 67, as well as YouTube comments, of course, and I can be reached as Ian at turbocamaro.com. Thank you.